MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
Stranded on the side of the road in Germantown, Tennessee? Don't let car troubles ruin your day. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis is here to serve you with reliable roadside assistance in Shelby County whenever you need us.
MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
Whether it's a dead battery, a flat tire, an overheating engine, or even a lockout situation, A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis has the tools and expertise to get you back on the road quickly and safely. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Our team uses cutting-edge diagnostic technology to pinpoint the issue with precision. From identifying check engine light problems to on-the-spot mechanical fixes, we bring the repair shop to you. Need a quick jump start, a new battery, or even emergency fuel delivery? We've got you covered. Plus, our tire repair and replacement services are fast and efficient because no one likes being stuck on the side of the road. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis doesn't just fix cars. We bring peace of mind. Call us anytime at 901-881-7850 and let us handle the hard part so you can focus on the road ahead.
You know, as the saying goes, some beautiful paths can't be discovered without getting lost. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we believe even breakdowns are just a detour to a solution. We're here to make sure your journey doesn't end on the shoulder of the road.
So remember, wherever you are in Germantown or the Shelby County area, A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis is just one call away. 901-881-7850. We'll get you moving again. Please let us know if you have any comment, question, or observation regarding this video. And don't forget to watch more videos by clicking on the video on the screen right now.